And let me share my screen. So any questions, guys? Any questions, any doubts, any challenges?
Sir, good
Yes,
morning, sir.
please. Yeah,
Hello.
good morning.
Sir, actually, last night I had tried to connect to the server using.
Okay, yes, Ankam, please. So, Ankam. Hello, Ankam. Can you hear me? Ankam, I cannot hear you, Ankam. Guys, can you
Sorry,
hear me?
sir.
Yeah, okay.
Sorry, sir. I can
Okay.
hear right now.
Yeah, yeah.
Actually, my question is that last night I had tried to connect the RDP, sir. I mean, server to RDP.
Okay.
Actually, what happened means after I enabled all settings regarding
Okay.
remote and
Mhm.
other settings also,
Okay.
I just tried. It got connected, but I got one message like access is denied
Mhm.
last night.
Okay.
I tried a couple of times. Same thing I got, but
Okay.
today morning I just tried once again, sir.
Okay.
Everything fine. Nothing. I didn't get like any access denied
Mhm.
like that.
Okay, good, good.
May I know the reason, sir? I mean, due to network and
Last
all.
night to which network you have connected?
Same network, sir, through my
Same.
mobile hotspot.
Okay, might be I'm guessing network is slow. Okay, if network is slow, sometimes you will get that option like network access is denied kind of stuff. Okay, so if you restart multiple times, that issue can be fixed.
Okay, sir. Okay,
Yeah,
sir.
yeah, yeah. Guys, any questions, any doubts, please?
Thanks.
Hello, sir.
Yes, yes, tell me. Yeah.
Say Vamsi.
Mm.
Hello, sir. I also tried for connect remote desktop,
Okay.
but it shows your home edition of Windows 11 does not support remote desktop.
Okay, very good. Yeah, let me tell you this point. Okay, I have to tell this point. Okay, so guys, RDP will only work on Windows 10 Pro. Where to check the version of the OS, guys? Can anyone tell me what is the command to check the version of your OS?
Yes, sir.
What is the version?
At the rate of
No, 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 not
version.
SQL Server version. I want to see the OS version. Hmm.
Sir,
Yes,
MSI.
someone is saying the answer.
select on my computer and right click on go to properties, and here we find
Yes. Okay. So
version things here.
You can go for PC properties, sir.
yes, we can go for PC properties or open run MS Info 32. Okay. So just MS Info 32 will give you system information or just simply your Windows button system information. Okay. If you type like this also, you will get this system information. There you can see guys OS name Microsoft Windows 10 Pro. Okay. Microsoft Windows 10 Pro. So for 10 Pro, you can use your RDP connections and all. It will support RDP connections and all. Microsoft 11 is a newly launched OS. Okay, some of the features might not work. Why? Because this is not complete copy. Of course, like it was just transitioning from 10 to 11, so you might not get all the features. So if you want to connect remotely, if you want RDP connections, go to Windows 10 Pro. Okay, or else let's see about this virtual Azure VMs. Let's see whether we can connect to the servers using VM this one RDP or not. Okay, we'll go for Azure VMs also. If we cannot connect for Azure VMs, if we cannot connect for Oracle VMs, then it's better to change okay your OS to Windows 10 Pro. Or else, guys, still there is no problem, guys. You can don't misunderstand the concept. Okay, this RDP will help you like how we are going to connect to the servers in the organization. That's it. If you are unable to connect to RDP, don't think everything is stopped. Nothing blocked. You can directly log into the server. You can do your practice. Okay. I told you right yesterday there are two ways to connect. Either direct connection or RDP connection. In the organization, we don't have access to connect to the server directly. directly logged into the server. Okay, control delete directly logged into the server is not possible in the organization. So definitely we have to connect using RDP only. RDP will help you to experience how we are going to connect to the servers in the organizations, just to get a hands-on experience. Okay, that's it. If RDP is not working, means don't think you cannot proceed to practice and all. You can happily proceed to practice. You can practice, but you have to log into the server directly, guys. Okay, directly, and you can proceed whatever you're doing. Anyhow, entering into the server is main thing. How you are entering is not an issue. Through RDP or directly you're entering into the server, that's not an issue. Is it clear, guys? So even though RDP is not working, nothing to worry. The RDP will help you to connect to the servers remotely in the real time. Just to get the hands-on experience of RDP, we have configured RDP. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, fine.
Yeah.
Any other questions, guys? Any questions?
Sir, I have one question, sir. I have one question. At a time, only two persons can connect to the server remotely.
Correct.
Means that is that applicable for all who are
Everyone, even
for
Windows
different
people
teams also?
Yes, correct.
Okay.
Every team, even though one person from Windows, one person from storage, they both connected. Also, the two ports, there will be two RDP ports available. Two are from same team, two are from different team. Okay, so that doesn't matter. Once the two ports are filled, the third person, even from Windows also, he cannot log into the server. He has to request others to disconnect.
Okay, sir. Okay. Thanks, sir.
Yeah, no problem.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, yes, please.
Sir, if we connect to DAC connection, it would also do connect.
That is different. DAC is completely different. As of now, we haven't
Okay.
installed SQL Server. Okay, so DAC,
Okay.
when you install SQL Server, then DAC will come into the picture. We are only discussing about the Windows Server as of now. Okay, DAC won't help you here. Right, you're referring DAC, right? Dedicated Administrator Connection.
Yes, sir.
Correct? Yes, that is completely
Yes, sir.
SQL Server topic. So now at this stage, we don't need DAC completely. Either you can connect to the server remotely or directly. That's it.
Okay.
Yeah. Any
Sir, and
questions?
also we will get all the passwords, sir. As admin, I mean SQL admin, we don't do all these things, no?
We don't do, but once you got the job, that Windows team is going to create credentials for you, separate credentials for you. So using those credentials, you can connect to the servers. Okay. We are giving administrator and password, right? There you will get Ankam. If, for example, you are selected for Microsoft/Ankam, in the password section, you are going to give your password. Okay. For example, we are working for what we can say, some DMart project. The domain name is DMart/Ankam, and you will get your own password. You have to enter your password.
Okay, sir. We will get mails regarding the username and passwords.
Yatish, okay, just give me some time.
Okay, sir.
Right, guys? Any issues, any questions, any doubts? Guys, anyone facing any challenges? Any challenges? Sir, this is the error. I'm unable to proceed. Any challenges, guys?
No, sir.
Okay, and one more important thing I want to like tell you guys. So from where we have to use MSTSC, guys, MSTSC, where we have to open this remote desktop connection.
In run command.
Run in which run? In your laptop run or
Windows
server run?
Windows
Windows server
Windows
run
server.
or in your laptop run?
Your laptop, sir.
Not laptop, sir. Sorry, our laptop, through our
Windows.
laptop.
Our laptop, sir. Our
Remember,
laptop.
guys, okay? From our laptop, we have two servers, two machines. One is your laptop, second one is your server. Agree, right?
Yes,
This
sir.
is your server.
Yeah.
This is
Yes,
your
sir.
server. Okay, this is your server. You can see. So you want to connect to this server remotely. Some people, what they are doing, they log into the server. There they are typing MSTSC. Guys, you have to connect to the server using MSTSC. Instead of that, you logged into the server directly. There you are typing MSTSC. Is it going to work?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. So from your local laptop to Windows server, you can connect through RDP. So you have to type MSTSC in your local laptop, not in your Windows server. Don't misunderstand the concept, guys. Windows server you can access either directly or remotely. Directly means, right click control, right control plus delete, and you can simply log into the server. That is direct connection. Remote connection from your local computer to your Windows server. You are going to connect to Windows server remotely. So you have to open remote or MSTSC in your laptop, not in the server. Okay, guys, right? So don't do these kind of mistakes, very basic mistakes and all. Okay, fine. So one more important thing is you should have internet, guys. You should have internet. Why? Because your Windows server and your laptop both will be connected to a single network. Okay, your Windows server, this one, and your laptop, this one, okay, will be connected to the single network. If you don't have internet, might be you are offline. If you are practicing and if you are trying to RDP, you cannot connect to RDP, guys. Both how they are communicating through internet only. Your Windows server also will be connected to the same internet. Your laptop also will be connected to the same internet. If if there is no internet, you can log into the server directly at any time. If there is an internet, then only you can connect to the server remotely, guys. Okay, make sure you have an internet before working, before connecting to the server's RDP. Make sure you have an internet and don't practice it offline. Okay, in case you want to use RDP feature, if you are in offline, you don't have internet, you can directly log into the server, but you cannot connect to the server remotely, guys. Is it clear? Both will be connected with the same network. Is it fine, everyone, guys?
Yes,
Please?
sir.
Yes.
Fine.
Okay. Done.
Sir, may I know which thing is good, sir? Once you complete our work in our server, is it go for shutdown or log off, sir?
Log off. I mean, next year in our practice, we are going to log off. Sorry,
Yes, sir. Yes.
shut down.
Yeah.
Okay. In our
Yeah.
practice, we have to shut down. Why? Because if we don't have work, what is the use of running the machine continuously? Right?
Yes, sir.
In our practice, once your practice is completed, shut down it, but don't power off it. Okay, don't directly do this kind of thing. Directly closing the machine will give you three options. Power off. Don't power off it. Okay, if you power off it, what happened? The machine will be corrupted, guys. The machine can be corrupted, so don't power off the machine. Log into the server and shut down, guys. Okay, shut down. You
And
can.
also, once you do that shutdown, also automatically it's getting power off, sir.
Of course, yeah.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Of course. That's what once you shut down the server, then it won't run. It will be stopped. It will be stopped
Yes.
means powered off only. You can see the state as powered off. If it is not running, it will be the powered off, guys. You can see here. If it is running, you can see running state. Okay, guys. Any issues? Any doubts? Chalo, let's go with Yatish. Yatish, can you share your screen? What is the challenge you have? Guys, if
Okay,
you have any questions, you can also ask. Okay, and then meanwhile, Yatish is facing some difficulties, and I see yesterday people are not watching the video. Simply, you people are trying to practice it, and I see some people directly downloading the OS, and they are trying to install directly, opening the OS file, directly opening the OS file, and directly they are opening the OS setup file. They are trying to install on their main OS. Remember, guys. Remember, follow the steps. Otherwise, your OS is going to be corrupted. Follow the steps properly. Okay. One guy yesterday, he simply opened the OS and he's ready to install the OS on his main OS, Windows 10 itself. No, that's what we haven't discussed. Okay. You have to create VM. You have to attach that OS. Then you have to start the VM, guys. I agree. See, if you just listen the classes, you can understand. You can only understand. You cannot remember, guys. If you listen the classes for the first time, you can understand the things. If you listen the classes for the second time, you have an idea. You have an idea. If you listen the classes for third time, you can practice. If you just listen the classes for the fourth time, and if you started practicing and all, fourth time you can again and again you can do it. Okay. Fifth time, so you have to listen multiple times, you have to practice multiple times, then only you can remember all the steps. Otherwise, we'll discuss a lot of things, you might confuse. I'm not saying okay wantedly he's doing, He might confuse it, that one. Okay, so that's why listen before practicing 3 times, 4 times, nothing will happen. Okay, there is no hurry. I know you are going to spend a lot of time in the YouTube, you are going to spend a lot of time in the shorts, you are going to spend a lot of time in the reels, you are going to spend a lot of time in the daily hunt. Spend some time here, nothing happen. Okay, yes. Yes, Satish, what is the issue?
Connecting the remotes.
Okay, so what is the OS version? What is your laptop OS version?
10 Pro, sir.
10 Pro.
Windows 10.
Okay. Okay. See, you should have good internet connection also. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Is it your Wi-Fi? And one more very important thing, guys, you are practicing, okay, with the internet only. Suddenly the power gone. Okay, your Wi-Fi, okay, you can see the Wi-Fi will be stopped. Agree? Then you just connected using
Yes.
mobile hotspot. Means your network is changed. Your network is
Yes.
changed. Okay. In that case, again, RDP won't be connected, guys. Again, you have to restart your virtual machine. Then it will detect the new network. Then you can connect to the server remotely. These are the common errors you are going to get. Okay. And one more thing, on the server manager, you can see that red kind of stuff. Okay, red kind you can see, right? Red color on the back, file and storage, local server, 2 events, four servers in the red color. Nothing, guys. No need to worry. So sometimes you can see like that. They are going to recover automatically, auto recovered. Okay. Yes, Yatish, what you are doing? Can you please tell me?
No, the IP address.
Where you are typing this IP address?
Windows run.
Are you sure? In which Windows run you are
Yes, sir.
typing the IP address?
It's
If you, why you want to know the IP address in your local machine? Tell me.
connecting remotely, sir.
If you want to connect to remotely, which server IP address you have to know?
I know the physical machine.
You know the
My
physical
laptop.
machine, you know the laptop IP address. That's fine. Forget about your laptop. Okay, for a while. You want to connect
Okay.
to one server. Agree?
Okay.
Right? You want to connect to one server. So
Yes, sir.
means you can connect using name or IP address. So which IP address you are going to use? Your local IP address or server IP address?
Local IP address, sir.
Why you will use your local IP address? See, if I want to call you from my mobile number, which number I have to use? My number I have to use, or I have to call to your number?
My number, sir.
Agree? I want to call
Yes,
you
sir.
from my mobile phone. I have to type your number, not my number. What you are doing,
Yes.
you are typing your number to call me.
Okay.
You got the point? You
Yes,
have
sir.
to find the server IP address, not laptop IP address.
Okay.
Now tell me where you are going to open the command prompt, in the server or in your laptop?
Servers.
Open the
Servers.
command prompt in the server. Okay. What we have to type now?
IP contact.
Yes, Yatish.
1 minute.
Okay. Satish, any challenges? Sorry, Yatish, can you hear me? He's not there. Yatish. Okay, guys. In the meanwhile, You can ask your questions, any doubts. Anyone is facing any issues? Anyone is facing any issues, guys? Okay, and let me check. Okay, so how many of you are up to date till yesterday, guys? Up to date practice, in the practice, how many of you are up to date? How many of you are completed remote connections and all? Please raise your hands.
Sir, if I raise my side, na, so it's not getting my hand, sir.
Okay, okay,
On
no
my
problem,
behalf
no
only.
problem. Ankam, I'll take you. Okay, no problem. Please
I
raise your
completed,
hands,
sir.
guys. Please raise your hands. If you don't know how to raise your hands, that's fine. You can, okay, just type in the message chat. You can use your chat option. Okay, so those who completed the practice, you will get a reward point, guys. Remember, up to date. You should be up to date. And sometimes I'll ask you if you simply raise the hand. Don't think, okay, I don't check you. Okay, definitely. Sometimes I'll ask you to share your screen and all. Okay, so don't blame me. Don't blame yourself. Okay, so agree. Sometimes I'll ask you to share your screen and I'll ask you to show, okay, how you did it and all. Okay, let me take a snap. That's it, right? That's it, I guess. Yes, Yatish. Yes, yes.
Sir, just I got it.
Hmm. Now, is that okay? Fine, Yatish?
No, sir. Presently, I'm typing
Type IP config first. Type IP config. We don't have time. No. Don't give spaces and all. Don't give spaces. Okay. Don't give spaces. IP config you have to completely give without spaces. IP config. Okay. What is this IP con? Yes, N is missing.
yes, sir.
Okay. What is the IP address you got?
Yes,
Where
sir.
you have to enter this? Yes, correct.
192.168.102.
Correct.
0.102.
Yes, correct. Where you have to give your IP address. Next is
IP
what?
address give to the physical our laptop, sir.
Next, just proceed. Please proceed.
1 minute. 192.168.0.1.
192.168 is common. You have to remember 0.102. Okay, that's fine.
Here, sir.
Very good.
Yes, sir.
What username password you have to give?
Administrator.
Very good. ADMINISTRATOR. APPLE Apple. ADMINI.
Okay.
Yes.
STRATOR. Okay.
Just keypad problems.
Okay. No problem. Nothing. No issues. Guys, any questions, any doubts, please? In the meantime, let me take the snap, guys. Those who completed practice till yesterday, completed up to date. And I'm practicing income raw. Okay, that's fine. I didn't install. I'm good up to 16th video. Shrikant, I completed income raw. Okay, and
Sir, completed.
okay, so you're able to connect, right?
Yes, sir. I will connect.
Okay, done. Where is that remote desktop connection, RDP?
I don't get it, so I will connect it.
No, you will get it. No, you will get it. Okay, definitely you'll get it. It was popped up. I can see on your taskbar. It was
Yes.
popping up. Just click yes or no. Yes, I'm sorry. Yes. Okay. Click yes, then it will be connected to the server remotely. Right?
Connected, sir. Yes.
Yeah. Just open that pop-up on the taskbar. You can see. Oh, okay. You just shared only one screen, I guess. Yes, this one. Yes. You have to press yes. Done. That's it. Okay. So done,
Yes, sir.
completed.
Yes, sir. Got it, sir.
Yeah, fine. Right, guys. So any issues, guys, please let me know. I can help you. Okay. Yes, you can stop sharing or let me.
Okay, okay, sir.
Yeah, let me share from my side. Okay, guys. Okay, so these are the very important points. Don't miss these points. RDP will work only for Windows 10 Pro machines. Okay, MSTS you have to type in your local laptop, not in your Windows Server machine. Okay, no problem. Yes, this, and you should have good
Sir,
internet connection. Yes, yes, please.
Sir, Windows 10 Pro only or Windows 11 Pro also?
Windows 11 Pro also, I guess. Pro only it will work. Okay, but again, I am not sure. I have to check. But Windows 10 Pro it will work. Okay.
Yeah.
11 Pro, I'm not sure. Right. MSTC, you have to type in your local machine, guys, and you should have internet connection, good internet connection. If you are offline, you cannot practice RDP. But again, RDP is not mandatory just to connect to the server in another way. So we have one more option that you can directly log into the server. You can directly install whatever you want. Okay, guys, clear? Right, fine. So next is what we can do. Directly jump into the Azure account. We have already installed this one.
Sir, I have one question, sir.
Yes, Subhani.
Sir, can I open the Azure account using debit card?
No, sir. No, sir. That is not possible. Guys, okay.
Someone-
Let's
Sir,
create Azure account. 1 minute, 1 minute. Those who are having credit card, okay. Those who can ready to share your screen. Anyone is available? Anyone is using credit card, guys? Nothing will happen, guys. You can use your credit card happily. It won't deduct anything. Initially, it will deduct 2 rupees. Again, it will credit that 2 rupees to you. Okay, until and unless you are going to confirm. After 1 month, it will ask you, hey, do you want pay as you go service? If you choose pay as you go service, then only it is going to be charged. That service name is called pay as you go. Okay, you will keep on getting the emails. Your account is going to end. Go for pay as you go service. Okay, pay as you go. Okay, if you opt for this service, then only it is going to deduct you guys. Okay, initially don't deduct anything. If possible, try to use the credit cards. By using credit cards only, you can create the account. But in the portal, it will show you credit card or debit card, but it won't accept debit card, guys. Only credit card is going to accept. Okay. So anyone is having credit card. I have already created my account. So that's the main challenge. So anyone is having credit card and ready to share your screen so that I can help you in creating the Azure account, guys. Nothing, very simple. How you are creating a Gmail account, in the same way you have to create a Azure account. That's it. Very simple. Some extra details will be there, like credit card details and all. Anyone is available like that, please? Credit card, and you are able to share your screen. No one is available. Guys, how many of you having a credit card? First of all, raise your hands. Please let me lower your hands. First of all, lower all the hands. Yes, guys, please raise your hands. Nothing will happen. In case while giving the credit card details, you can stop sharing. Okay, I don't force you to give the credit card details in front of the video sharing and all. Please raise your hands. Those who are having, please raise your hands. I got the update from Madhavi and Narendra Achari and Lata. Please raise your hands. Last time I got 10 to 12. Yesterday itself, 10 to 12 people raised their hands. Pravina, Sachita, okay. So any of you guys, can you share your screen, please? Madhavi, Narendra Achari, Lata, Pravina, Sachita.
Thing is, I'm rebooting that voice, so that's
Okay, okay, no
yeah.
issues. Okay. Narendra, is it possible to share your screen so that we'll create an account, Azure account? While giving credit card details, you can stop sharing.
Sir, I don't have laptop, sir. No.
You don't have a laptop. Very good, excellent. Lata, Pravina, Sachita, is it possible?
Sir, can I share, sir?
Of course, man. Anyone can share. Okay, no issues. You can ask your friends also. Tell them clearly. Everyone, see, even if you are giving credit card details, also you'll worry. Might be it will deduct something and all. Tell them clearly. Don't deduct anything. In case if it is going to deduct anything, I am the responsible person. I'll pay you. Okay. I'll means you are going to pay you, not me. Okay. So please again ask them, guys. Ask them and take the credit card for practice. And remember, only 28 days you can practice. Okay, with a free account. After 28 days, again, your credit will be gone. whatever credit you used or not used, it will be gone, guys. You cannot create Azure account. Yes, Ankam, let me stop sharing. You can start your sharing. Or else let me do one thing. The meeting is going to end in 3 minutes. Let me reopen, guys. You can use the same meeting link, those who joined today. Okay. Rama Priya. So you can use the same meeting link to join again. Okay.
Okay, sir.
It will be disconnected now.